What's up guys? I joined my first surf comp. Come get ready with me. Punta tayo. Check in tayo. Let's go. Yo! Guys, wala natin yung board. Wala yung board na gamitin natin sa comp. Pintail rider by DP Shapes. Ayan guys. Focus ko. Yeah. Hi guys, pupunta na tayo sa venue ng event sa Dalakit Boulevard. Time check is 6:35. Call time namin is 6. So pretty much sure I'm running late. So tara guys, sabol tayo dun. Dumi. Morning, say hi to the vlog. Boss Dotay. Shout out. Waves of Giving by STG Global. Free morning surf lessons here at Dalakit Boulevard.
Five, four, three, two, one. Hello, Dalakit.
Oy! Ha? Sino sunod? Si Juna?
Salamat, kuya.
Masam do all rack ba? Ma-mix lang niya ang shortboard yung
Time 11 minutes.
Inat mga nanong board.
Surfers.
Master Dandoy.
Ay.
Say hi to the vlog.
Hello. Okay.
Next hit! Prepare!
Oh, shout out. Vlog.
Herbalastic!
Kuya Herb. Say hi to the vlog. Good luck.
Nice ka!
You.
Orange daw pa kayo no?
Oh, dalawa. Pink ako. Violet. Orange. Yes, Captain. Nice one!
Ay, sayang.
Pink.
All rack sa nila yung ka no?
Abraham.
Baksan nyo ha, maghanap kayo ng baksan.
Ready and violet. Orange.
Orange and
Salamat guys. Nagbago ang green.
May third wave na si
Adley Violet. Abraham from wow, okay. Uy, Chancha.
Incomplete.
Ang mga skimboarder ba eh? Adonis na
Skim borders.
Ayaw
Here
na
on the skim borders. To the side, please. Salamat.
Vlog. Ew!
Bigla mo pupara.
Manoy, skin burger. Ew!
Paluhoy ang po ito iyo.
Pero tipilya, kuya.
Good, good. Woo! Amen. Guys, thank you. So excited na rin ako sa next. Grabe excited ako.
So guys, punta na tayong tent. Wala na akong event kasi first team exit ako kahapon. Morning. Yan.
Pink. Pink, orange.
Ay, sir, nag-roller si John Paul.
Orange is up. Violet,
Result ng hit namin, last place ako sa hit namin.
Violet, jump ball.
Yung first day, hindi ako nakasipot sa first hit ko sana, so automatic meron akong isang loss. Tapos kahapon, yun yung technically second hit ko na, pero first hit pa lang na sinalihan ko kasi doon pa lang ako nakapag-show up sa
Time check. 10 minutes.
so ayun,
10
short
minutes
for
remaining.
championship na lamang nood lang kami dito. Listen, join na lang kami dito, Lifestyle TV. Let's go!
Oh, duha ko na kami kanampoy.
Shoutout sa movement for organizing Summer Saya sa Ibabaw surfing competition. Solid event. Thank you for the opportunity. See you again next year.